Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get stash mods easily. Stash mods are fantastic game modifications that significantly expand your inventory capacity, letting you carry many more items during your expeditions. This means you can collect more valuable scrap and essential tools, making your runs much more efficient and enjoyable. It truly enhances your overall gameplay experience by reducing the need for frequent trips back to the ship. The easiest way to get stash mods is by using a dedicated mod manager. I recommend Thunderstore Mod Manager, which is widely used and very user-friendly. First, you will need to download and install this manager onto your computer. It acts as a central hub for all your game modifications, making installation and management incredibly straightforward. This method saves you a lot of time and potential headaches. Once your mod manager is set up, open it and select your game profile. Next, navigate to the Get Mods section, which is essentially an online library. Search for terms like stash or inventory to find the mods that expand your carrying capacity. Look for a popular and well-reviewed option, then simply click the download button. The manager will handle the installation, often in just a few seconds. With your stash mod installed, simply launch the game directly through the mod manager. This ensures all your installed modifications are active. Once in the game, you will immediately notice your expanded inventory space, allowing you to carry significantly more items and valuable scrap. This increased capacity makes your scavenging trips far more productive and less stressful, letting you focus on exploration and survival. Enjoy your enhanced gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.